Welcome, English friends. I'm Devin, and I teach calm, slow English for real life. Many English learners confuse for and to. In this video, I will show you the most common differences using simple, everyday examples. Ready? Let's go. We use for when someone benefits. We use to when something moves or goes to a place or a person. For example, I made this cake for you. That shows you benefit. Take your plate to the kitchen. This shows direction, where the plate is going. Give this bag to your brother. This shows direction to whom the bag is going. Remember, for answers who benefits, to answers where or to whom something is going. Part 2. We use for before a noun or verb that ends in ing. We use to before a base verb. For example, this video is for learning English. This device is for warming coffee. I came here to learn English. I like to drink coffee. Remember, for explains the reason. To explains the action. Now let's have a quick comparison of to and for. If I say for you, that equals benefit. If I say to you, that equals direction. If I say for learning, that equals reason. If I say to learn, that equals action. If you understand for versus to, your English will sound clearer and more natural. If you need to, go back and review the other videos about using for in English. They all work together. Thank you for learning with me today, friends. Good job. See you tomorrow.